David, while school districts are weighing their choices, parents are thinking about what's best for their families. WBZ's Jon Keller spoke with the governor today about the dilemma that just about everyone is facing.
Would you and your wife send them back to school in 7 weeks?
Well, frankly, a big part of the discussion we've had with pediatricians and with educators and folks in the public health world generally has been about this question about what's best for kids. And the overwhelming sentiment that came from the vast majority of the people we talked to, especially in the public health and the pediatric and medical world, was that there are many important issues associated with childhood development that come from physical presence in school. And I can tell you, as a father of 3, I thought a big part of what our kids got out of school was, in fact, the in-class, in-person activity that came with that. But again, John, to have the pediatric community, not just here in Massachusetts, but across the country, as well as many other very well established and respected public health people saying, if it's possible to get kids back to school, that for their health is actually the best result.
To the extent that this means kids may miss portions of the year, they may be going at staggered times, whatever, are you prepared to waive the mandatory minimum number of school days that's required?
I think it's too early. I mean, one of the things I've said about COVID all along is that you need to make decisions based on the facts as you understand them, when you understand them. And when I think about all the things about this virus that have changed since this thing first broke back in February in terms of what the common knowledge was, I'm very wary to make big decisions on hypotheticals far in advance of when they actually become real and actionable.
You can watch Jon Keller's full interview with Governor Baker Sunday on WBZ this morning.
And we know that